nigga. They know what it is, baby. I've been around these niggas. I know a few of these niggas, man. I knew Turk. That nigga smoked me and Ty down with some purple monkey balls, or I think it was me and JJ. I know Lil Richard too. I used to call that little nigga Paul Wall. And Pooch a G, man. That nigga cool, man, on everything though. Niggas hate on my plan. Put them in the trash can. Bitches wanna talk shit. Fuck making fuck bitch. Bitch, that's real shit. Run up on your motherfucking baby mama with the llama. Bow, 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 bow. That end drum. Matt on the blow though. Still ain't talk to Fabo. Best will let her Coco. Best will let her do the coke. Jacob at the house with the hella boats. Talking about bowl house. Still putting burners in these niggas' mouth. Sick on the Ouija. But fuck sick and fuck rap. Scared man still a fat. Hit the nigga with the gap. GB on the map. Joe said I'm hella whack. Fuck him in his gospel raps. I be in the lane there, you know that a nigga steer. Shouts out to Turkey Pooch and Lil Richard. Yeah, I'm on the gas shit. I'ma shot a nigga at a fast strip. And they know that I'm on my big shit like Hazik or that nigga Palms. Yeah, I know that nigga Frosty. Yeah, I know that nigga Rex. Niggas flex with the text. And I know that nigga Flex. And I know a whole lot of fucking thugs. Bitch ass niggas will never get to see me. Only Alex like bugs. Bitch nigga go to hell. This ain't a diss song, can't you tell? I know real niggas that beat L's. And that's true shit, nigga. I ain't tryna diss nobody or nothing like that. I ain't even dissing nobody, nigga. I'm just out here spitting, baby. You niggas should be lucky that I said your name, nigga. Shouts out to all you niggas, even if I ain't fucking with some of you niggas. But I know you niggas know me. Y'all niggas know I'm all good. I ain't never did none of you niggas dirty. Name one time I did one of you niggas dirty. Get that shit out, nigga. I never did it, nigga. Yeah, and you know that, nigga. And you know that. And you know that. I'm a skater, not a thug. I'm just like you, cause I love to do drugs. I remember one day that nigga Todd, it was Todd or JJ, they took me to that nigga Turkey house, and that nigga smoked us out with some purple monkey ball, something like that, nigga. It was some fire though. I see it though, baby. I remember Lil Rich, I used to call that nigga Paul Wall. I remember A-Rap when that nigga name wasn't even A-Rap. I remember Skirman before that nigga was even Skir, before that nigga was even Alex. That nigga was at College Heights Posted. That nigga Turkey used to be whipping in a big ass whip with the big ass rims. That nigga told me that he put a burner in an old lady face one time, nigga. Shouts out to all you niggas though, man. Shouts out to Fabo. Fabo know what's up, cause that's my brother. But these other niggas, some niggas can get it. Y'all know that though. I ain't never did none of you niggas wrong. So you can't try to turn nobody against me, nigga. Cause I fuck with real niggas that got that did life and beat the motherfucking case. Real niggas. And if you know about a nigga back in the day, nigga, you know I was with this shit too, baby. Y'all know what's up, baby. I used to put hands on niggas, baby. Shouts out to everybody though, I love y'all.